Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share some tips and tricks on starting over and how you can apply them for a smoother journey. Starting over can be daunting, but it's also an opportunity for growth and a chance to create a new and better version of yourself. One way to approach starting over is by applying the lucky girl syndrome. This concept is all about having a positive attitude and viewing every opportunity as a blessing. It's about being grateful for the chance to start anew and seeing the potential in every situation. Another important aspect of starting over is setting goals. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and to create a plan of action to make it happen. Setting goals gives you direction and purpose and helps you stay motivated and focused. When starting over, it's also important to seek out important support and resources. Whether it's a mentor, a friend, or a therapist, having someone to talk to and to give you guidance can make a big difference in your journey. Starting over also requires taking risks and trying new things. Sometimes it can be very scary to step out of your comfort zone, but it's often in those moments of uncertainty that we find the most growth and opportunity. So don't be afraid. Take a leap of faith and try something new. So there you have it. This comes to the end of this video. I've shared some tips and tricks on how to apply the lucky ghost syndrome when starting over in any aspect of your life. Remember, it's all about having a positive attitude, setting goals, seeking support and resources, and taking risks and trying new things. With a bit of determination and positive attitude and mindset, you can create the life you want and be the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.